What's up everyone, we're the Tasty Twins.
Today we're going to show you our Honeycomb Toffee for beginners.
It's easy and makes a perfect snack.
So let's get started. Alright, in a saucepan we're going to add 1 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Next up, a half cup of light corn syrup. And now a 1/3 cup of room temperature water. We're going to place this on medium heat until it's 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
So whenever you're working with water and sugar mixtures like this, you always want to make sure that you're brushing the insides of the saucepan with water like this. And you're doing this to prevent crystallization from occurring. That's basically where the mixture hardens and turns into little crystals. Okay, let's quickly remove this from heat and add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, so we're gonna let this mixture sit out and harden for 2 to 3 hours.
Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and there are some videos on the side in case you want to check those out. But that's it for us today, so thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.